What's up, guys? Just re-review of my skunk food. This is a re-review, man. So if you see my videos, I'll review it, but it's too fast, so I'm gonna re-review it. So gonna review it more clearly this time. So yeah, packaging. See, it's open up. This heroes versus villains skunk food. This the heroes versus villains set and buy it at Toys R Us. The price still there. And back here you can see all of the sets in the line. You can get skunk and Sphere, I'm reviewing now. Rabbit and the baboon, and Panda, the master panda, and the ninja monkey. And it shows you how to play. So more information here. So yeah, open up. Open up the card. You can pause it if you want. If you want to read. Yeah. The figures. So let's get over with the box again. Shows skunk food there, and ages for 4 and up. And gonna read it for you. Contains skunk and dragon figure exclusive metallic soft layers and launcher. So get so here's the galleon, the box, and I think this is the launcher. Yeah, I think this is the launcher. Because you'll put like that and see. Not gonna do that now. I'm not watching. So let's go on with the picture. If you can see it. You can see it. Turn up the I'm using laptop, so I'm getting hard time. Ooh, that's the chair, sorry. So we're gonna get the skunk. And of course the dragon. So back to me. Empty. Gonna fix it because I'm not gonna show the box. Dom. So yeah. Here's skunk. The skunk has the nunchucks and the kung fu headband. It's more like in a kicking mode, and he's grinding pit. It's like gonna beat you up. The tail is all detailed also. No articulation for skunk. You can see the white in his tail. You can barely see there. You can see good detail. He got the big red nose, and his eyes are fitted to the show. And Skunk Fu is shown in 2009. Sorry for the late review. And the white hair there. So let's go to Dragon. These have articulation, 4 points of articulation. So the head. 360 degrees. The hands go up, up that far, and down that far. Both hands. So look at the detail there. Look at the horns, and you know the this the set one, and this is the best of the set because the dragon is the main villain of Skunk Fu, and Skunk has accidentally thrown to Master Panda. And just look at the skin. These are real review, guys. The best of the dragon is fire. I think he's breathing. Yeah, he's breathing fire. I don't know what company is it. Let's see what company is it. Let me see that company. Just take me for a while. It was released by United Kingdom, UK, and but I don't know what toy corporation is it. So gonna if you stand them up, they're like this. Skunk will be that's the action post. So you can put him like that. Like that is come to me, give me a best shot. So that's the only action post you can get him. So if you have all the set and it fits there. So guys, and I think I'm gonna get next is the rabbit and the baboon. So the baboon is the wetlands bamboo, and gonna buy Fanboy and Chum Chum, and definitely I'm gonna buy Fanboy first, cause Toys R Us at Philippines are very cheap price. And I live in the Philippines. You if I go there, the price will be only be $3 to $5, and very cheap, you know, $3 to $5. And the Fanboy Chum Chum is about $10. The 6-inch is like 15 or something. If I go to America, but in the Philippines, very cheap. So, it's a review. And peace. And so that's the end of it. Bye. Bye.